Έλα, Βι. Δώσε γκάζ, μωρέ, ανάπηρη. Δώσε, δώσε.
When you want to stop, pull the clutch in and shift this down, and then push that up.
Wait, pull the clutch in, and press down, and that?
Yeah.
Okay.
To stop it. No, don't kick it again. Clutch in, clutch in. Oh shit. Oh, you alright?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Sorry.
You alright?
Yeah.
Oops. That wasn't good.
Alright.
Shit.
Is your bike okay?
Oh crap, dude, you alright?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I hope I didn't break your bike.
You broke the...
We're getting fast now, getting ballsy, using the brake lights, putting the foot down. Fuck, you'll be doing burnouts pretty soon. Oh, now we're on the grass. Oh, it's okay. Okay, that's
Oh no, I got it. Down from first. Put your hand on the brake. There you go.
Bad the fuck up. Ain't needed to your new YouTube.
There you go. You got it. Oh shit.
Oh shit, nigga! Oh fuck!
Forgot about the brake.
Nigga, you alright?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
See?
There you go. Don't get cocky.
Are you alright?
Yeah!
Stop! I don't know.
You're okay. You're okay. You're alright, get up.
Your dad's gonna be pissed off at you. Oh shit! That did not happen, did it?
Oh man!
Oh shit, dude. Go ahead. Sorry.
Não, aí vai, não, deixa.
Ai, não, eu vou trabalho. Toma, aí.
Oh
Now don't pop it out. Just keep letting it out like that. Slow. Like.
You'll feel it. It'll start to fall.
Too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast.
No.
Slow it down. God damn it. I'm sorry.
You okay?
Oh, okay. Don't
You alright, Mom?
Oh, crap.
I got a video.
Are you guys okay?
That's a gap.
More gas?
Just a little more gas. Not too much, no. No! No! Careful! No! Oh, jeez. No! And... Stop!
Any car?
No! Stop! No! No! Oh no, my mini bike! Better stop, man. You're gonna hurt my bike.
No way. I got it. That was pretty fixing.
No! Oh man. Hey, what's your name? Just ease it out. A little slow. Slow! Hey man, no, give me my bike back.
Okay, here, I'll bring it to you, okay?
No man, just walk it over here. No man, walk it! No! 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 Hey man, give me that bike! Just walk it over here.
I'll bring it to you right now.
What's the matter with you? You never rode one of those. No, don't start it again. No! No! What are you? He's an idiot!